Hi, welcome to the channel, and I've been meaning to do this review for some time. It's on my Huawei Watch GT3 Pro. I wear it every day, and I just wanted to share my experience of using this watch for the last year. I've already opened the watch. I mean, I use it all the time. I just wanted to show the packing really more than anything else. The watch comes with a docking station but no charger, so you can plug it into any USB charger that you may have already and charge it from that. So let's start with the build material of the watch. The casing is made out of titanium, and like I said, I wear this watch every day. I've had it a year. The watch does get bashed quite a bit, you know, knocks and bumps and stuff, and the only marks on this watch, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, we'll see if we can get it to focus, and there you go, is right on this edge. The watch glass itself has not got any marks on it. Just the edge here, right tiny edge here, has got some small marks where I've caught the watch on the wall and stuff like that, right? The rest of the casing is like new. It's absolutely perfect. So the build quality, the durability of this titanium is amazing. It's really good quality. It's got a crystal glass, scratch proof. I've got no cover on it, and it's not got a single scratch on it, so even that is extremely tough. The back of it is made out of this neocrystalline ceramic, super smooth, really comfortable to wear, no complaints of it in that. It has two buttons on it, or one button and one crown, right? That you can rotate to go through the menu and stuff, and the other one you can program it to have a specific task and mindset to the calendar, which I use quite often. The strap that it comes with when you buy the watch brand new, it comes with a leather strap that I didn't really want, but at the time, so the watch is available with a black rubber strap, a titanium strap, and a leather strap. Unfortunately for me, the watch at that particular time, they only had the one with the leather strap in it, so that's what I purchased at the time. The strap is really easy to change out. It's got two little clips here, you press and the strap comes off really easy, and so I purchased a rubber strap from AliExpress. I have to say the strap's been absolutely fantastic. It's really good quality strap. It wasn't expensive neither. I'll leave a link in the description below if anybody's interested in purchasing a strap. So let's get to some of the main features that I use, and I don't use a lot of features on this watch, unfortunately. I only bought it to count my steps. So let's just talk about the faces. So you can change the faces on the watch. I've got one for my steps that I use mainly, to be honest, most of the time, and you can clearly see the step count on there. This is one of the main reasons I bought the watch, and no other real reason, to be honest. Let's talk about the battery as well. First of all, the battery, it's said that the watch will last 14 days on a full charge. To be honest, when I first bought the watch, I could probably say yes, it'd last 14 days on a charge, but as soon as you start using the watch, meaning functions of the watch, it won't stay charged for 14 days. I use a watch regular. When I say I use a watch, there's some features on this watch I use quite often, and one of the main features on this watch I use a lot. So I'll backtrack a minute. The watch lasts me a week with one charge, so 7 days without any trouble. I can get maybe even 8-9 days, right, without having to recharge it, but generally I charge the watch every 7 days. And probably one of the reasons why it doesn't last any longer than that is because one of the main features that I use on this watch, which I was quite surprised, because at first I thought, what am I ever going to use a torch on this watch for? I mean, how good can the torch be? But I found myself using this screen or this torch every single day. So I turn off all the lights in the house and walk back to the bedroom, and I use the torch every night, right, so I don't bump into anything. I've used this so many times, and it's a great feature to have on the watch. I use the timer every now and again. It does play music. I do use it for exercising, so I play certain stuff on there, but I pair it with my headphones, and the sound quality is fantastic. Really good quality sound out of the headphones that are paired to the watch. I'll just give you a sample of how loud this is. It's really clear. It's not very bassy, obviously it's only a watch, but the sound quality from the watch is really good. You can control the volume via the crown, and it's more than loud enough. Another great feature that I use on the watch is I can take calls on the watch, so I don't have to take the phone out of the pocket. The quality of the calls from the watch, so if I'm not paired with my headphones, the sound quality from the speakers, I can hear the person speaking very, very clearly. The microphone on the watch, which is that little hole there, I've never had anybody complain that they can't hear me while speaking through the watch. And there's a speaker hole at the side there. You can just about see it there, yeah. There's a speaker hole there. And so that feature on it is superb. Taking calls, you can read your messages, WhatsApp messages, text messages on the watch. It's got a AMOLED screen. It's a 1.43 inch AMOLED screen. Fantastic screen, pure black, and you can see vibrant colors on this watch. I don't think the camera actually does the screen justice really, but anyway, these are the main things that I use on the watch. It's got a ton of other features on it that you could use, or people you may want to use. For me, I only use a few features on the watch, but the real thing is it's never ever froze. The watch has never froze. It's never been an issue. I've never had a problem with it, not once. It charges, it lasts a week without any issue whatsoever. It's got great features. The build quality is fantastic. I'm really happy, and it was a very good purchase. You can still find these watches on Amazon or places like that, brand new. I'll see if I can leave a link in the description somewhere that's selling it at a reasonable price if anybody's interested. If you made it to the end of the video, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below. Thank you for your time. Take care. Until next time. Bye bye.